Yo guys, today I will show you how to put a maintenance mode for Mazda rear brake system for the electronic parking brake system. Okay, first we gotta shut it off, then turn on ignition, uh, press down the accelerator pedal all the way down, then press this down all the way, press it down, then shut it off. Then turn it on, sorry. Then you will hear the parking brake noise, the motor. Then shut it off. Right now it's maintenance mode. To see exactly if it is maintenance mode, let's start the car. You see the parking brake? Yes, that's maintenance mode. So you can be able compress the caliper piston after you replace your pads and rotors. To go out of the maintenance mode, the step is just press press the on, then hit the accelerator pedal all the way down, then pull up. Earlier we pulled down, now to release you gotta pull it up. Then turn off your ignition and turn back on. You will see it disappear. Then cut it off to see if it is go away. Turn on the car. Easy. I can repeat, or I will leave a description. The steps is easy steps. Thanks for watching. Let me know if